Hi guys, this is Manivas. In this video, we will see the list of all keywords present in Java language, and we could see an easiest way to remember all the keywords present in the Java, right? So, in Java programming language, some words are reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called reserved words. These reserved words cannot be used as identifier. Thus, that means they cannot be used as names for a variable, method, label, or class. Okay, so reserved words cannot be used as identifiers. And in Java, as we said, as we discussed, we have totally 53 reserved words. In this 53 reserved words, we have 3 reserved literals. So we will see what is the literals. If the reserved word only to represent some value but not functionality, then we call it those reserved words are literals. Okay, so we have 3 reserved literals in Java. Those are true, false, and null. True and false are reserved to represent Boolean values and no functionality associated with these values. Null is a default value for object references. So these are reserved literals. We have it in Java. Okay. Next, see what are the reserved words which we don't use in Java. So we have two reserved words, goto and const. These two reserved words we do not use it in Java. If we try to use these two reserved words, we will get it compile time error. Okay, so unused keywords in Java are goto and const. Next, keywords which we use for data types: byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, char. These are the keywords we will use for data types. And next, keywords for flow control. We have 11 keywords for the flow control. Let's see what are those. 1. If, else, switch, case, default, while, do, for, break, continue, return. These are the keywords in Java using for flow control, right? Then let's see what are the keywords for modifiers. So in Java we have 11 keywords for modifiers. 1. Public, private, protected, static, final, abstract, strict FFE, synchronized, native, transient, volatile. Here the keyword strict FFE came in 1.2 version, right? Next, what are the keywords we use in Java for exception handling? Try, catch, finally, throw, throws, asset. Here the keyword asset came in 1.4 version, right? So let's see keywords related to the class. Class, interface, extends, implements, package, import. These are the keywords we use in Java for the class. Keywords related to object: new, instance of, super, this. Next, void return type keyword. In Java, for every method, return type is mandatory. If a method doesn't return anything, then that method should be declared with the return type void. So for that we use keyword void. Next, we have enum keyword in Java. It came in 1.5 version. Keyword enum used to define a group of named constants. So totally 53 keywords we have covered. And the main note is all 53 keywords in Java contains only lowercase alphabetic letters. Hope you guys all got it. You guys understood the easiest way to remember the keywords 53 present in Java. Thank you. Thank you so much.